My name is Alfredo Terrazas, and today's date is May 2, 2021. This is my submission for CIRC10 Attempt B. In this attempt, we use a TMP36 precision temperature sensor to read and display temperature in degrees Fahrenheit. The code is somewhat the same as the previous attempt, so I will skim through most of it. At the top of the source code, we set up the temperature pin of the sensor to analog pin 0 on the Arduino. In the void setup code block, we set up a serial connection to the computer so that the printed results of the sensor can be displayed in the serial monitor, which I will display shortly. In the void loop code block, we set up the floating point variable named temperature to get the voltage reading from the sensor's temperature pin, then use the Arduino's math abilities to convert the voltage values to degrees. The only change to the code is in this line for the temperature variable. This line right here. Where we changed the formula that converts the voltage to degrees. This new formula displays the readings in Fahrenheit instead of Celsius. Unfortunately, the reading from the pin is received as digital values, not voltage, but we address this issue in the code below. But first, we use the serial print in command to print the results on the serial monitor on the IDE and add a delay of 1 second between each reading using the delay command. As it was just explained, since the reading from the temperature pin is received as a digital value, we set up this last block to convert the digital reading to voltage, which is used in the code block above. That about summarizes the source code, but before moving on to the Arduino, allow me to display the readings on the IDE's serial monitor, as the Arduino itself does not show any activity for this circuit. I added the timestamp for each reading to better illustrate the 1 second delay we set up in the code and to differentiate each reading. This time, however, the readings are now in Fahrenheit. Moving on to the Arduino, it's set up the exact same way. We have two cables connecting the 5V and ground from the Arduino to the breadboard. We have two jumper cables for the respective pins on the TMP36 precision sensor to their respective pins on the sensor. Then we have the middle pin, which is the actual temperature in itself where we're receiving our values from, connected to this data cable connected to analog pin 0 on the Arduino. Again, my name is Alfredo Terrazas, and this is my submission for CIRC10 Attempt B.